Good day and congratulations on the purchase of your Minus40 B series vaccine refrigerator. Today we'll go over a brief guide of how to install your unit, the commissioning of the unit, and a small little training guide to help you understand your unit. How to place your unit. If possible, please place your unit outside of direct sunlight, away from any heat sources such as wall heaters or portable heaters. Place it a few centimeters from the wall, roughly 10 centimeters. However, if you're not sure, you are welcome to use your hand in the form of a fist, insert it behind the unit, and that will give you a plus-minus idea. Also ensure that when you open your door, you can open it freely without any obstruction, and when you close it, that it can close freely. If your unit is opted with adjustable feet, please adjust the unit to your floor. They are a little bit heavy, so don't be afraid to ask for assistance. Now that we have a suitable location for your unit, let's get to work unpacking your shelving and installing the shelving into the unit. Units will come with racked shelving like this, clips, and a small warranty card. Wear gloves if possible. It's recommended so that you don't injure yourself while opening the stainless steel packaging, as it may have sharp edges. Carefully open your shelving by inserting your knife or your Stanley cutter or your other any form of sharp object along the top, and gently cutting the top of your shelving. Each shelf will receive 4 clips. Upon installing the clips, count roughly 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. Insert the top of the clip into open slot number 3 to ensure a recommended fit. You are welcome to move the shelving in any which way you like. This just is a general fit that we have found accommodates various forms of vaccines and medication. Please ensure a small little air gap at the bottom of the last shelf to help promote airflow. So for your last shelf, going to the top, insert it left side facing downwards. So now that you've installed the shelving, you can plug your unit into the outlet. All Minus40 units will come with a voltage regulator in one form or another. You always plug your unit into the voltage regulator, ensure that it is securely fastened. Now that it's secured, you plug it in. Sometimes it can take up to 5 minutes for the unit to power on, depending on what the setting is on the voltage regulator. In this case, we've made it a very short setting for the educational purposes of this video. Now that your unit is powered on, let's quickly go through the unit to make sure that it is functioning correctly. We start by opening the door and ensuring the internal light comes on when the door has been opened. As you notice, when I close the door, the light goes off. Now, I'm going to check the internal roller fan. You'll hear now that the large fan inside is circulating the air, promoting optimum airflow for all your medications and vaccines located within the unit. Please note, on the left-hand side of the unit is a Pro port. This is for any third-party monitoring devices or software that you may or may not have. These units can take up to 4 to 6 hours before the main temperature will reach below 8 degrees Celsius. These units are designed to run between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, with -40 preset being 4 degrees Celsius. So there is no requirement for adjustment on your side as the consumer. However, to activate the unit's holdover, which is its ability to stay cold for 52 hours without any form of electricity, the unit will need to be on, operating for 24 hours before that ability can be utilized. This is to allow the eutectic tanks in the side of the unit, located on the left and located on the right, to freeze, giving us our holdover time of 52 hours at 32 degrees ambient. Some general information about your unit. If your unit ever stops to work for whatever reason, either your freezer or your fridge, an alarm code shall appear on the relevant display. Now, in order to get hold of Minus40 technical assistance, please open your unit, and on the right-hand side of all Minus40 medical refrigeration, you will find your service and warranty sticker. On this sticker is included your unit serial number, the gas charge, and the contact center information to get hold of our service department. Please note, when you do call our service department, that they will ask you for your clinic location, your unit serial number, and any alarm code it may or may not display on either of the controllers. Please, if possible, comply and help give as much information as possible, as this will really assist us in sorting your problem out far more efficiently. Just some general cleaning tips and information just to ensure optimum health for your unit. Please try and have the condenser cleaned once a month, or remove any blockages from the front of the unit. Please remember to clean the inside of your Minus40 medical refrigerator using soap and water. The inside is cladded in stainless steel, so it is a surface that does not promote any bacterial growth. While you're busy with any general maintenance associated with the unit, just a few things to keep an eye on. Please always make sure that once a month, when you do clean the condenser of this unit, that when you push this button, that the roller fan is spinning. When you get to the back of the unit, that you can hear the bottom fan is running, as this will make sure that we get ahead of any problems may or may not occur. If something sounds funny, give us a call, send us an email, we will happily assist. From us at Minus40, thank you very much for the purchase of your Minus40 B series vaccine refrigerator. We hope it serves you well and gives you many years of excellent service.